I just got home from work. I opened and closed the drive-thru today. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with my day because I don't have anything. I'm trying to decide if a nap sounds good because I cannot tell you the last time I've slept in. I think it was maybe the day after Christmas. It's been a couple weeks. I literally put on 2 pairs of pants and 2 pairs of socks. And then I came outside and it's like not actually as bad as I was anticipating, so it's fun. I am my father's child. Gotta make Dad proud. Got a package. I'm gonna show you what I got. First, I got the Hydrate and Repair Body Serum. Oh, I think it's like a lotion. I also got another conditioner because I just finished mine up, and it's the Advanced Hydrating, and this one smells the best. Oh, yes. A black shampoo. Well, it's actually a 2-in-1, so it's a shampoo and conditioner. And has peppermint essential oils in it. And so it like does this really cool like cooling effect on your scalp, and it feels really good, especially if you ever had a headache or if you have dry, itchy scalp. Like, this shampoo makes your scalp feel really good, which I can tell you from personal experience because I've had really bad itchy scalp since the fall, and that's the only thing that will bring relief. I got a travel size blowout cream, the Glossy Shine Mist. Yes. Oh yes, the travel size of the volume shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo. Man, there's way more stuff in here than I thought. Wait, why did I get... That's lovely. They gave me 2 blowout creams. Like, what the heck? Why did they give me 2 blowout creams? That's so junky. Looks like a hair towel. I love these things because my hair is so long and it just drips and drips and drips after I shower. So I love these little things. I was just scrolling through my Instagram and there was ad after ad after ad for like, join this program and study abroad, learn another language. Well, bro, I don't want to go study abroad. Sure, I'll go abroad, but not to study, only to have fun. Duh. Like, do they think I'm trying to go to college or something? Because I'm not. And then all the other ones are just like these stupid giveaways like, oh, you could win this Ford Bronco and $20,000 in cold hard cash. Or win this cruise for 2 to the Antarctica and go with your best friend and sign up for our program and you'll get entered for this giveaway. No, I don't want to sign up for all your junk and get entered for a giveaway that I'm never gonna win. Goodbye. It's already almost 9 o'clock. I have more chicken salad, but do I want avocado bagel or chicken nuggets? And yes, our dining room is under construction currently, has been since like almost after we moved in the house. And it's a work in progress, but you'll get to see the glow up one day, but that day is not today. It's almost midnight and I never stay up this late, but Jenny was bringing me home a tea and I didn't want to go to bed before I was able to drink it, so hasta la vista. Headed to church. I got my bagel, I got my Bible, I got my water. Eat General Tso's chicken for lunch, and then I have cauliflower rice. It's Mediterranean flavor, but I have tried the sauce like mix that they have with it, and it's disgusting. So I just eat the cauliflower rice and season it myself. It's nasty. So I just ran some laundry, tidied up my room a little bit, and then now I'm going back to church for my membership class with a bunch of the new members. So that will be fun, but it's going to take up the rest of the day, and we're having dinner. That's my day for you. like getting to meet all these people from church that I never met before. And then there was actually another couple in the room who is also from Indiana, so I talked to them. We talked about euchre because that's just a big Indiana thing, I guess. It like started pouring rain when we were in there. It was so loud because, you know, the metal roofs. And then it's still raining, and it's probably gonna rain the whole night, and I really hope it's not gonna be raining tomorrow because I just don't like driving in the rain. Do you ever just go on Pinterest and start looking at all these recipes for food and you just feel so inspired to go cook something? I'm finding all these recipes for like creamy shrimp scampi with like sun-dried tomatoes and spinach, and it all looks so good. So since I got up earlier today, I'm gonna start sanding the walls so we can hopefully paint it sometime in the next few weeks. How'd you get in there, Bill? There's the guilty child himself. Been a bad boy today, Silas, haven't you? Nothing to be excited about, sir. Well, this afternoon has been quite a journey. So I worked on some sanding on the walls, and then I was calling to talk to Allison, and Silas was like out enjoying, you know, the farmland like he likes to do, and he normally is like always pretty good, and he just stays back by the barns and like chases the cats, and like it's a good thing. He runs his energy off, and he's never even gone past like the front of the house, so we've never been concerned about him like going across the street or anything. Well, today, once he lost interest in the cats, he decided that he would go across the street to the cows. And I almost had a heart attack because that's like my biggest nightmare, is that Silas would run away off of our property and me not being able to get to him because he does not like to listen when I call him. So that happened today. My worst nightmare of Silas happened, and it's done and over with now, so that's good. And he's home, and I'm very angry at him, so I'm just not going to look at him or talk to him for the rest of the day. And thankfully, Jenny's grandpa lives next door and was able to come help me chase him around and get him back, because I was not about to be able to get him by myself. Making some venison vegetable soup for dinner. And I'm so excited because I've been wanting soup so bad, and I love vegetable soup. So it's been so cold outside, it just really hits the spot. You know what I'm saying? Wait, let me look cute.
Leave me alone. Hi.